Hello guys, what's up and welcome to this new video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online, just easy step guys, and it's absolutely free and you can do it by just watching videos. Just hang around on your FB account, Instagram account, Twitter account and LinkedIn. I'll show you step by step how you can do, and you can make a good amount of money by this website. You can see some payouts. I should show you the payouts. You can see guys, people are actually earning a good amount of money every day $3. Okay, you can see guys, you can get up to $2 $3 every single day or every single hour if you are doing it consistently. Okay, and the money will be paid in terms of Perfect Money, Bitcoin and PayPal. Okay, if you don't know how to open a PayPal account, I just want you to write down in the comment section so that I can make videos for you to how to earn and money for this. Okay, and you can see guys, lots of students and people are earning from this website, and it's a very genuine website. You can also make money good. Okay, you can see that guys, worldwide, you can see worldwide people are actually earning a good amount of money. You can see guys, from United States, from Bangladesh and all. Okay, you can see guys. So how to do the login part and how to earn money from this. Okay, I'll show you step by step and will show you trick how you can increase your earning potential as well from this website. Okay, so just follow along. Okay, just click on this join. Okay, just click on the join. Okay, just click on this join button, and you can see guys, I have to first write down username, email address, password 2 times, my location, my referral. You can leave it empty guys if there is no referral. Okay, but you can type your username in this referral. Okay, and just fill up this captcha. I'll just do it quickly. Okay, and just click on this join button. So guys, what do we do right now is just confirm our email address. Okay, so in your email address you can see guys, a link is coming up. Okay, you can see you can just click on this link. Okay, just click on this. Okay, and you need to log in to this. Okay, you just need to log in. Okay, just enter again your username or email ID and your password, and fill up the captcha. Okay, just click on this login button, and guys, there it is. Okay, this is your dashboard, and you can get 50 points guys extra if you just click on the link in my description box. You can get 50 points at the joining. Okay, as a joining bonus if you come up with my referral link. Okay, I just post this referral link on my description box how to do it. Now I just show you guys how this website actually works. Okay, let's see. So guys, what it do, let's see this. Here you can see guys, some YouTube buttons. Okay, you can earn from these YouTube as well. Okay, I just click on this play. Okay, plays. Okay, and you can see guys, you are getting paid 15 points if you just watch 35 seconds to earn that points, that percentage. So what you need to do guys, I just tell you a trick. Okay, just click on this play button and it will redirected you to a YouTube. Okay, just click on this and just click on the pause button. Okay guys, and you can see guys, your countdown is start. You do not need to watch this video. Okay, just wait on this page, just pause that video, and you can see guys, countdown is started. Okay, you can see. So this website, we can earn a good amount of money by actually not seeing the videos. We can open these videos in multiple tabs and can earn a good amount of money by just grabbing up the points, guys, just by grabbing up lots and lots of points. And you can see guys, points are added. Okay guys, you can see guys, 50 points, 19 points are added at the same point of time. What do I do? Just click on again on the play button, and you can see guys, a link is there. Okay, just don't want to click this okay, play button. Just come up in this website, and you can see guys, 29 points by just waiting for this videos. Okay, and how many videos you can see guys? There are unlimited videos. Guys, you just do one thing. Take it as a part-time job. Okay, and you can earn a good amount of money by just doing nothing, just by waiting on you can even open this website on your phone, mobile phones. You are doing your important works. Okay, and you can see guys, ultimately it is added to my wallet. Okay, it takes some time, and you can see. So how it actually works guys, how it actually works. So you do not do anything, just open a tab and just click on this play button, and you do not have to do anything guys, you do not have to do anything. Okay, so in the why 29 points in the previous I don't earn, because I have crossed this point. Okay, you do not have to cross it, just open it, just click on this play button and just click on the pause. Okay, don't do it, just wait for it, and you can see guys, this 14 points are added to my point section. Okay, you can do it guys, you can hover over. I just show you after this completed how you can cash out an everyday bonus that you can get from this website. Okay, you do not have to do anything, you can see guys, it is automatically added. Okay, so what do I need to do right now? Okay, just click on this daily bonus. Okay, and you can see guys, login daily, do 15 likes or hits per hit, click button below to earn 100 points extra. Okay, so what you need to do guys, you just need to click like these videos. Okay, if I like these kind of videos, okay, you can see YouTube videos, I just need to like, and if you like 15 videos, you can see guys, 100 points in your pocket by just clicking like button. So it's good, it's actually good guys, it's actually good how they and you can do various kind of things guys in your FB account. Just follow the page, see the photos, and you are getting paid. You can see guys. Okay, you can do some likes on the Instagrams. You can see guys, 49 points by just liking a picture or a post. Okay, you can see guys, unlimited points you can earn, and YouTube option is guys absolutely free guys. This YouTube option is absolutely free. Okay, so this is a good amount how you can earn money guys, because this is something which creates a lot of traffic in your website. Okay, on your YouTube links as well, and you can earn a good amount of money from this. Okay, just to see some jobs. Okay, Amazon, from Pinterest, SlideShares, and you can review. Okay, let's see this. You can see guys, if I just do some reviews on tweets. Okay, just type simple words, good, bad, that's it. Okay, you are getting paid for this. If you are subscribing some videos, you are getting paid 29 points guys. It's good, it's actually good. Okay, you can click on this load more and you can earn, you can even generate lots of these kind of things. Okay, so do it guys, and don't take it for just like earning money, and I'll show you guys how you are getting paid. Okay, so just click on this cash out. Okay, just click on this cash out, and you can see guys, for 83 points your balance is $0.003 and it would be from PayPal. Just click on this PayPal. Okay, just click on this PayPal button and you just need to type your email address, and within 3 to 5 days in your PayPal account the money will be transferred. Okay, it's absolutely free, guys. How much you can earn is unlimited. Okay, people are actually earning. I have shown you that people are actually earning a good amount of money from this. You can do small recharge, guys. Okay, it's just a, guys, it's just a free money. Okay, we do not have to do anything, we just want to play. You can spend 1 hour of your day in your free times. You just click on subscribe, like and play some videos which is actually not you are playing. Okay, you do not need to, you just spend that 35 minutes seconds I should say on this website and just open multiple videos. Okay, and on different tabs, and you are getting paid a good amount. Okay, from which you can save a lot of your time. Okay, so this is how you need to pay attention to. Okay, guys, so I'll show you how you can I've shown you everything, guys, how you can earn, how you can do subscribe buttons. You can see, guys, you just hang around these kind of things. Okay, you can see, guys, you can do it at this if you want to add your own page so that you can get more likes on this. This is a good website for in whole to generate a traffic for intended recipients. Okay, so I shown you how you can do it, guys. Okay, just go around and just look out this and you are getting good amount of payment. Okay, $3 people are actually earning by just doing nothing, guys. Okay, just by clicking likes, and you are spending so much time on Instagrams, Facebook and YouTube. Okay, why can't you utilize that time to earn money? Okay, because time is equal to money. So guys, if you want some extra investment strategies, okay, I will make you good investment strategy slides for you guys. Okay, so that you can eventually know how to invest on different types of how you can utilize these monies on different sectors. If you want a detailed video on that, that's how can I make money from more money, how can I make my existing money more money from that. If you want some strategies, just do write it down in my comment section. And I just wanna say, you guys, just please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that, guys, I can give you more of these websites. You just need to do anything, not even a single penny from your pocket. I just wanna spend from your pocket. Okay, you cannot spend a single amount of money from your pocket to earn money. Okay, that's I guaranteed. So that just click on the subscribe button and just so that, guys, you are getting notification of my website, and you are always, every day I'm putting a new video in order to give you great insights how you can earn money, what is a motivating factor which will lead you on your track while you are distracted from your goal setting. Okay, these kind of motivations I can give you. Just do write down in the comment section. Bye, see you guys, just go and earn money.